Decided to wear.
Why does she eat?
Lashfien. Hey y'all, happy Friday. So I wanted to share a maintenance day with you all. So today's lineup is as follows. We have nails first with my girl Coco. This is the most recent set. Now Coco told me I need to give up black and white. We will see. We will see what we end up with today. If she refuses to do my black and white and tells me that it's time for a new color, then I might go with her. We'll see. I've been doing black and white nails exclusively for over a year now, and I love them. I love the challenge that they create. I love having to come up with new ways to display these same two colors, but it's also kind of become a signature of mine, and so that's why I'm not really budging on getting rid of it just yet, but it is summer. So I told her I will be open. If she could show me some things that excite me about warmer weather and summer vibes, then I'll be willing to possibly go in a different direction. So we got nails first. Also, I broke one, which is so unlike me. Then I have a meeting, and then we have lashes. Y'all have not seen me without my lash extensions in so long, if at all. I've been getting my lashes done faithfully for a couple of years now, and I do like to take a break every now and then so that my eyes are just able to breathe. But y'all, I'm tired of the break. It is time for some fresh lashes, so that is what we are doing after nails, and then possibly a hair appointment. I got some clip-ins in from Love Me Hair that I really want to try out, but it is raining today, and I do have an event outside on Sunday, and so I'm not totally sure if I want to go that route yet, but it might happen. So stay tuned. Let me get dressed and we will head out. All right, so here's what I decided to wear. This little top is from H&M. Pants are from W by Crystal White, my brand. I just put on some New Balance, can't see them. My little D chain and my hoops. I'm gonna pop on my Apple Watch. Here's the bag for the day, my Marc Jacobs softbox. Whenever I find my denim jacket, that'll be the jacket for the day because it's a little bit cool. The question is, would you drive an hour to get your nails done? As someone who is extremely particular about their nails, to me it's worth it. It's worth it because I would rather drive an hour once a month, once every 3 weeks to get my nails done and absolutely love them every single time than drive 10 minutes and I spend the next 2 to 3 weeks in disdain for what I just spent my money on. So here is another way I am able to rationalize my drive and how much I spend on my nails. So for about 4 months, I gave up acrylics. I was not getting my nails done, or I was not getting acrylic done every month like I had been. So I decided to switch to, I think I was going back and forth between like gel and dip powder. I'm not sure. I think I was going back and forth between the two. At any rate, these services at nail salons near me, granted I was driving 10-15 minutes, but those appointments would cost me anywhere from $55 to $70. And I had to go every single 2 weeks. Like I could not skip a week. I could not go 3 weeks. Every 2 weeks I had to get my nails done because they just weren't lasting. But I was spending $150 a month on my nails. And my nails don't cost that much when I get my acrylic done because I'm not going every 2 weeks. I'm going every 3 to 4, sometimes 4 to 5 weeks, depending on how they're looking. Like honestly, I probably would have went another week, but I broke one. And I am someone, I cannot stomach a broken nail. It drives me up a wall. I'm perfectly fine with having to drive an hour once every 3 weeks to get nails that are going to absolutely satisfy me every single time. It's a worthy investment for me. I'm never coming up off my girl Coco, ever. Like, as long as I'm in Michigan, as long as she's doing nails, I am in her chair faithfully because I am 100% happy every single time. Okay, so we're here with Coco.
Hi guys.
We're getting our nails done. I broke one.
Do you know what we're doing today?
No. I did load up the Pinterest with some fresh inspo, because I know we vaguely and briefly talked about leaving black and white alone. But I just don't know. I really like when we did that center line situation, but I didn't want to like run it right back. That's just like one. There are some colorful options to choose from. These are all what? The same thing? Sorry, she hit me like bomb. Okay. I like to be like another like shade and a half.
I got all of my bathing suits in a while too.
I know it's been forever. And then when you finish, you can just turn them towards the camera because it'll just let you like polish it. One of my favorite artists dropped a new song, and shout out to Spotify for New Music Fridays because I didn't even know he had a new song out, but it's good. Okay, so like I said before, I will forever get on the road for my nail tech because why does she eat? Why does she eat these nails up like this? These are probably one of the sickest sets I've had, and it's so crazy because we were just talking about how we haven't done an all over nail in about a year. So I am a very, very happy girl.
How they want me to lose, but I'm do for a win.
All right, so still a busy day in full effect. On my way to get my lashes done by the one and only Lashfien. All right, so we're getting gas. Lamborghini's not feeling well. I put my Kroger number in, 70 cents off. Gas was practically free. Hopefully she's feeling better by the time we return to the Lashfien studio. Get our nails. We're driving around looking for some commercial spaces for lease for an exciting new endeavor. So right now we are in like the, what's this, like Ferndale Royal Oak area? Oh, that's cute. So we're in like the Ferndale Royal Oak area. It does have this like little industrial piece. So we're seeing if we see, you know, seeing if we find any spaces that are available. What a cute building. I want to drive around the side. Okay, here is the before. Completely bare. Stay tuned for the after. New lashes. Who this? All right, so finished product. The lashes look amazing. Thank you so much, Lashfien. All right. It is Saturday night, and I'm about to go pick up my best friend so we can hang out for a little bit. And I will try to get some footage of my outfit. I have on this like one shoulder top from Amazon, a pair of high-waist jeans, and some wedges. I don't have the wedges on yet, but they're here. There is the makeup look. All right, y'all. Anyway, we're about to go grab some drinks. Me and Lamborghini. We're gonna grab some bevies and just see what the night holds. So let's go. Good morning. Happy Sunday. So I am headed to a 5K event with Girls on the Run. So a little backstory, Girls on the Run is a nonprofit. I want to say they're national. They are a nonprofit that encourage school-age girls to get active, build community, and just kind of learn about themselves. So we partnered with them for my W Field Day event last year, and they invited me out to their end of the year 5K to share Field Day with everybody else. So I'm so excited. These are the shirts for Field Day, an amazing logo. It's a free community event that I do every summer here in Detroit. It's completely free. We offer food, we have a DJ, we have games. It is an amazing time. So I'm so excited to share this event with families and hopefully get them to sign up and join us this year. So I am headed to go get matcha and then head to the 5K, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's go.